The ocean was calm. The sky was black. Then, radar screens flashed red. 11 hostile missiles had just been launched from Yemen, heading straight for a U.S. aircraft carrier strike group. Alarms screamed across the decks. Sailors ran to battle stations. Within seconds, the quiet night turned into a war zone. The countdown began. 11 missiles, 6 minutes, one chance to survive. What happened next would shock the world and silence it for days. Stay till the end to see how the U.S. Navy answered this attack. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon. The Red Sea had become one of the most dangerous waters in the world. Shipping lanes were vital for global trade, and military power in this narrow stretch of water was critical. The U.S. Navy maintained a constant presence to protect international shipping, deter hostile forces, and respond to any sudden attacks. For weeks, intelligence had warned of Houthi missile activity in Yemen. The Houthis had grown bolder, using Iranian-supplied missiles and drones to strike commercial ships, oil facilities, and even U.S. naval vessels. Every strike had tested America's patience. Every attack had forced the Navy to stay alert. On this particular night, the USS Gerald R. Ford carrier strike group was patrolling south of the Red Sea. The carrier was accompanied by guided missile cruisers, destroyers, and a supply ship. The strike group carried thousands of sailors, fighter jets, drones, and missiles, ready to respond to threats at a moment's notice. The atmosphere on the decks was calm, but tense. Sailors went about their normal night routines, but behind the calm, the crew remained aware of the constant threat. Radar operators scanned the horizon. Sonar specialists listened for unusual signals. And intelligence officers monitored satellite feeds for signs of hostile activity. The U.S. Navy had faced Houthi attacks before. In 2016 and 2017, the Houthis launched missiles at merchant ships and patrol boats in the region. Some attacks had been intercepted, but a few missiles had reached their targets, causing damage and sending a clear message. The Houthis were capable of striking deep into the Red Sea. These past incidents had forced the U.S. Navy to improve its layered defense systems, train crews for rapid responses, and update tactics for missile interception. Every sailor knew the risk. Every officer understood the stakes. In the hours before the attack, intelligence reported unusual activity along Yemen's western coast. Multiple truck-mounted missile launchers had been spotted moving near known Houthi bases. Drones had been flying reconnaissance patterns over shipping lanes. Analysts suspected that the Houthis were preparing a coordinated strike. Orders went out across the carrier strike group. Crews were briefed. Defensive systems were put on alert. Fighter jets prepared for quick launch if needed. This was the calm before the storm, a tense pause in a dangerous environment.